Yun. Yun, so welcome guys for our day 1. All right. So you guys are in the batch 9 po ng anong tawag dito, enrollees. So make sure po na alam niyo po yung batches po ninyo para at least pag tinignan po namin sa database po namin, alam po namin hanapin yung inyong mga anong tawag dito, mga pangalan. And make sure po guys na yung mga wala pa, hindi pa nakaka-access po doon sa inyong dashboard, make sure to go to digitalhomey.net. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, make sure to go to digitalhomey.net, my website, and then click online courses. Okay. Then, if wala kayo na-receive na email, I'm gonna help you guys to open your dashboards. So, ang gagamitin nyo dito sa 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge na promo code is 5DC9 na promo code. And then, ang gagamitin yung promo code sa Beginner's Guide Junior Strategies is Junior B9. Okay, kasi hingian kayo ng ano niyan, ng payment. Since nagbayad na kayo, make sure to use that promo code para ma-access po ninyo yung courses without paying another 499. Okay? Yun. So, let me know if by the way, yung mga messages, dito muna tayo mag-message sa Zoom para hindi ako pabalik-balik sa mobile ko and din sa Zoom. Mahina kalaban. Isa lang ako, dumadami na kayo. So lahat muna ng messages is sa Zoom. Okay, lahat ng questions. Hindi ko pa masasagot yung mga messages nyo sa GC natin. Mamaya pa ako sasagot after the live training. Okay, lahat ng questions ay via Zoom muna tayo. And then, after nung live training, if you have technicalities, we'll sort it out later. May Messenger GC po pala. Yes po, Robin. Sir Robin Ligaspi. Messenger GC, if ano po yun, dun po sa group. Pero, temporary GC lang po yun kapag may mga technicalities on how they can be able to access the dashboard. Pero lahat ng technicalities po about Facebook ads will be answered through Telegram GC. Okay, hindi po doon sa Facebook Messenger GC. And the reason why I want to use the Telegram GC because last December, na-ban ako ni Facebook for 3 days and then additional 2 days, parang 1 week akong walang Messenger. May Facebook naman ako pero wala akong Messenger because of some technicalities kasi one of my student, they are asking me about some technicalities kung paano yung gagawin pag na-restrict yung Facebook ads account nila. So, I was sending voice messages because mahirap mag-through text. Dami kong ginagawa. So, I send voice messages and it turns out na nakakatch ni Facebook yung mga voice message ko. So, hindi ako pwedeng magbigay ng voice messages about technicalities about Facebook kasi mahirap na po. Baka maban yung aking messenger or yung buong Facebook profile ko. Okay? Sorry coach, kakarating lang po sa Zoom. Ask ko lang if yung 500 peso na payment ko, isasama ko na po ba yung junior or ito lang po yung kasama po. Once you join the 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge, you'll also get the Facebook Ads Beginners Junior Strategies course. Okay, both of them. Dapat magkakaroon kayo ng access sa dashboard po ninyo. Okay? Nabigay ko dyan yung promo code sa taas. Okay, make sure to use 5DC9 sa anong tawag dito sa 5-day challenge and use the Junior B9 po sa Junior Strategist course. Okay? Now, meron po dyan yung beginners po parang plan. What do you mean po? Parang plan. Just use the Junior B9 po, the promo code para ma-access mo yung ano. Make sure po na ang email address po ninyo na nakalagin po dun sa Google browser ninyo is the same email address na ginamit po ninyo nung nag-enroll po kayo dito sa Academy. Kasi otherwise, if you use a different email login credentials, tapos biglang na-switch po yung email address. Unfortunately, na-switch by someone from sa loob ng bahay niyo kung yung PC ninyo maraming gumagamit tapos nag-switch ng email address. Pagbalik niyo dun sa courses ko hindi niyo ma-access 'yon. Kasi my website will treat you as a different user kasi nga yung email address ninyo ang na-capture po ng aking website. Okay? Malinaw po tayo doon. Kaya kung nagkakaproblema po kayo ng access, hindi nyo ma-access yung courses just because malamang iba po ang nakalagin na email address po doon sa either mobile phone po ninyo or doon sa PC or laptop. Okay? Malinaw po tayo doon. Now, pag gamit nyo po yung mobile phone po ninyo, if you try to access my courses, if you click online courses, and then let's say for example, 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge, okay? May makikita kayo dito na go to the app. You can also join this program via the mobile app. Go to the app and download Spaces by Wix. So you can watch the training via mobile app, no? So hindi niyo po kailangan ng laptop or ng PC to watch the recordings, but preferably to use PC or laptop kasi nga malaki yung malaking screen. Especially kapag technical aspect po ng business manager, mahirapan po kayo kapag papanoorin niyo lang sa mobile. But if you want to watch the recording lang about I don't know, other topics, then you can use the app, Spaces by Wix. Just click this one and then mada-download nyo na po yung app. Alright? Malinaw po tayo doon. And welcome guys. Again, si Lance, si Kyle, Micaela, magandang gabi. Alright. Sir, ma-access po ba ang recorded video? Yes po. Yun po yung sinasabi ko, Nohira Esber, na ma-access niyo po ang recording sa inyong dashboard. Just use the promo code na binigay ko sa inyo para ma-access po ninyo yung inyong dashboard. Go to my website, digitalhomie.net, and then both of the junior strategist at yung 5-day Facebook Ads Challenge, magkakaroon kayo ng access po nun. Okay? Good. Para hindi tayo ma-stuck doon sa ating mga technical questions, let's proceed po doon sa ating lessons for today. Alright? I'd like to know guys kung sino dito ang wala pang business manager, as in zero knowledge about Facebook ads, o kung may knowledge man, nag-boost lang in the past and just that's it. Like walang business manager, as in zero. Type zero in the comment section or the chat box if you guys don't have a business manager yet. Ang daming 000. Okay, si Bergie, si Paul, si Jason, si Ma'am Joanne, Sherry, Angel, Zoom user, I'm not sure kung sino tong unang nag-comment ng 0, yung word na 0. Kung sino ka man, make sure na rename i-rename mo yung pangalan mo dito sa Zoom para ma-address kitang maayos. Okay? Na yun. 0. Okay, madami-dami yung 0 natin. Guys, for the benefit of those guys na nag-0, okay, some of you here might be a little bit of advanced na ng konti. Meron na silang BM, nakapag-run na ng ads. Let's give them the chance to learn the lesson from scratch. Okay, maybe you'll be thinking, yung nabili kong course, beginner's lesson naman pala, meron na ako nito, I know everything. Pakiusap ko lang, let's empty our cup muna, no? If you want to get more information, okay? Probably you know what I'm gonna teach you tonight, but for the benefit of those na 0, gagawin po natin sila ng business manager from scratch. Okay? So, magiging course outline po natin for tonight's, for the 5-week, sorry. Haba na 5-day training session, live training session, at least 1 hour per day, would be this one para at least mayroon kayong expectation what's gonna happen in the next 5 days. All right? So, I'm gonna share my screen and dito tayo sa mahiwagang Canva. Okay? And then, sir, how to have the recording, sir? My emergency. I'll send you, you'll get access po sa inyong dashboard again. Okay? So, hindi ko na ulitin. So, kung bago ka, Sir Jeron, dito, make sure na go to the chat dun sa ating messenger if you have any technicalities. Okay, proceed tayo dito. So what's inside the live training for in the next 5 days? Day 1, which is today, we're gonna be talking about the business settings overview. Marami dito kasi sa inyo na meron ng BM pero hindi naiintindihan kung ano ba yung paano mag-navigate sa BM, ano ba yung nilalaman ng business manager. Okay? So that's gonna be day 1. Day 2, understanding the campaign objectives and the Facebook auction. Okay? So we're gonna be learning about, or I'm gonna be discussing about the Facebook auction, and we're gonna understand the different campaign objectives sa loob ng Ads Manager para naiintindihan ninyo kung paano kayo nagpe-place ng inyong budget at ano yung outcome na ini-expect ninyo sa bawat budget na nilalagay po ninyo sa inyong ad campaigns. Alright? Day 3, different campaign setup. Okay, so ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga different campaign setup using messaging and click-to-call campaigns. Okay, if you guys are expecting how to install the pixel, etc., or website traffic, it's a different topic. Dinesign ko yung course from beginner's guide, junior strategist. If you want to learn more about the different technicalities, there's a different course for that, senior specialist course. If you want a specific strategy for your campaigns, how to test, how to scale, that's the 100 peso Facebook ad strategy, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the different campaign setup. Day 3. Day 4, understanding the Facebook ads metrics para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano ba kayo china-charge ni Facebook. Okay, ano ba yung mga metrics na kailangan nyo maintindihan para makapag-decide kayo kung anong gagawin nyo on the next optimization ng inyong campaigns. All right? And finally, day 5, I'm gonna be teaching you guys the ultimate Facebook ads calculator. Okay, ito yung magsasalba sa inyo sa mga campaigns ninyo pag naglabas kayo ng pera, kung magkano ba yung willing kayong ibigay lang kay Facebook. Okay, kung magkano lang ba yung budget or yung bid na tinatawag para kayo ay makapag-bid sa auction inside the Facebook auction. All right, inom lang ako ng tubig, guys. Alright, so gusto ko muna kayong makilala dito, guys. Madami-dami na kayo, 70 plus. And I'd like to know, guys, kung sino dito ang aspiring media buyers type 1. For those people here na aspiring media buyers type 1. Yon, Coach IC, yon si Brother, welcome dito sa ating live training. Dito ka na pala ngayon. Okay. Aspiring media buyers type 1, yon si Bergie, Martires, Forrest, Cathy May, Leo G, Paul Go. Media buyer, Sir Duran is a Facebook ad specialist or digital marketing specialist, Facebook ad strategist, whatever you call it. Those people are serving providing your services to businesses who are looking for people to run ads for them. Okay, that's the media buyer. Okay, that's one si Ruth, si Principe, Patrick, ano po? Okay, yan, media buyer. Sino naman dito, guys, ang business owners? All right, type 2. Type 2, guys, if sino yung mga business owners? Isama na natin siguro yung business owners, yung mga financial advisors, real estate agents, MLM, local businesses. Isama na natin sa number 2 para isang ano na lang. Yun, madami-dami number 2. Nice, nice. Si Joanne, Leo. You can be both, right? You can be both. You can be a media buyer and also a business owner. Kasi doon talaga magsisimula. You need to become a media buyer first if you want to start your own business nowadays. Okay? 1 and 2, yes. Nohira, Esber. All right. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Sige, Ma'am Irene Manabo, yon. Very good, very good. Yon, so, pipili ako dito sa number 0 nung wala pa talagang business manager. Magkaiba po ba ang business manager versus ads manager? Under the business manager is nasa loob po yung ads manager. Matututunan mo po yan, Sir Julius. Uunti-untiin po natin yan para mas lalo po nating maintindihan. Magkaiba rin po ang Meta Business Suite. Okay, so iba po yun. And then you'll see how it goes. Coach, introduce yourself po and what is your background po in advertising in FB? Yun, very good si Lance Lubitana. Alright. Ayoko sanang pahabain kasi may free training naman ako dun sa website. But sige, since nag-ask ka, I'm an HRM graduate. HRM graduate po ako. Wala pong kinalaman sa Facebook ads ang tinapos ko. Okay, dahil bobo ako sa math, nag-HRM na lang po ako kasi wala po, luto-luto lang daw doon eh. Serve lang daw sa restaurant, sa hotel. So madali lang gawin. So matrabaho lang pero madali lang gawin. Hindi na ginagamitan ng math. So kaya nag-HRM. Okay, and after HRM, nag-OFW ako sa Dubai. And then before pala sa Pilipinas, nag-service crew din ako sa local fast food. Tapos nung nag-Dubai ako, ganun pa rin service crew. And then pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, doon na ako na pumasok sa sales. Naging medrep ako, naging anong tawag dito? Matagal ako sa medrep, pagiging medrep, medyo matagal ako sa car sales industry. Okay, car sales executive ng Toyota before. And then ano pa ba? Naging financial advisor din ako. What else? Nagtayo ako ng sarili kong business. It miserably failed. Face flat. So, yon. Ano pa ba? Lahat na yata na ibenta ko na maliban sa sarili ko. Joke. Pero yon, lahat ng produkto na pwede kong ninegosyo ko na ano pa ba? Yung rock bottom ko before ako naging media buyer and business owner. Nagdi-deliver ako ng anong tawag dito nagsusupply ako sa mga sari-sari stores ng mga chichirya. Okay, so nagtayo ako ng sarili kong distributorship business, but yun po yung quick introduction about me. And Facebook ads, I started Facebook ads way back 2016. At that time, I was trying to learn a new ways on how you can be able to generate income without leaving the comfort of your home. Maraming pumasok, merong affiliate marketing, merong e-com, merong ang dami, forex, etc., etc. And one thing I noticed is that kung kailangan mo magtayo ng business, regardless kung maganda yung website mo, regardless kung maganda yung brick and mortar business mo, kapag hindi ka marunong mag-generate ng traffic, you will lose your business. Guaranteed po yun. Alright? So whether kung anong industry ka, kung ano yung business mo ngayon, whatever you're doing right now, you need to learn Facebook ads because without Facebook ads, without social media ads in general, including TikTok and LinkedIn, whatever, hindi uusad ang negosyo mo. Okay? Kahit nasa MLM ka pa, gone are the days kung nasa MLM ka, business, hindi ka makakapag-recruit ngayon dahil sawa na yung tao na pumunta ng McDonald's to attend the seminars. All right? So this is the new way of recruiting people in order for you to be able to leverage the power of social media ads. Ang dami kong sinabi. So, parang kailangan na natin mag-umpisa kasi mahaba yung oras natin ngayon. Mamimili ako ng isa. Let's go. I'd like, kapag pinili ko, dapat willing ka to attend up until day 5 kasi kailangan natin yung account mo, gagamitin natin up until day 5. Pwede ka ba si Sharian? Pwede ka
Yes
ba?
po.
Okay, go ahead. Share your screen and I'm gonna help you create your own business manager from scratch. Eh di ngayon, big time ka na coach, hindi po. Alam mo ba guys, ang pangarap ko lang ng 20,000, sabi ko, Lord, bigyan mo lang ako ng 20K na nasa loob ako ng bahay, happy na ako. And triple, more than 5 binigay. But hindi po ako big time pa. Okay? I'm just really comfortable of where I am right now, and I wanted to share my learnings in the past couple of years para marami po mag-benefit. All right, so Ma'am Sherry, go ahead. You can share your screen. And let's go ahead. Gawan kita ngayon ng business
Sorry,
manager.
anong screen, sir?
You make sure na you're using laptop or you're using desktop. Are you
Laptop.
Okay, sige, go ahead. Share your Zoom screen. Okay, dito sa baba, meron ditong mga buttons, mute, stop video, security, participants, chat, and share screen. Share your entire screen. Wag lang yung wag lang yung Google screen or whatever. So, yung buong screen mo para makita namin yung buong screen mo. All right?
The Zoom screen?
Yes.
Is it this one? Share.
Yon. Sige, nakita ko na namin. Yan. So, very good. Give me a remote control access and I'm gonna navigate your anong tawag dito? Desktop. Do not move your mouse. I'll be the one to sorry? Ma'am, paano ka dito? I'll stop sharing first muna and then log in ka muna ng Facebook account mo doon sa Google Chrome na binuksan natin, new tab. Okay? Para for security reasons, yung password mo, whatever. So, let's go. You know, si Coach IC. Let's go.
Let's go.
Basta yung Market Masters.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Kasi nakilala ko na yung idol ko sa Market Masters. Si Coach Clarence, no?
Yun. Ikaw ang idol ko. Sige, go ahead. Ma'am Sherry, let me know if tambay ka lang dyan, bro. And then let's dive into it. Sige, let us know, Ma'am Sherry, kapag okay na yung iyong nakapag-login ka na dun sa iyong Facebook profile. Good. Yon. Mukhang okay na. Empake.ph yun. May promotions na agad. Guys, yung mga willing yung planning to book a trip. Empake.ph tayo, guys. Alright? Libreng promotion po yun dito, guys. Just contact Miss Sherry Ann. Alright? Give me your remote control. Yan. So, do not move your mouse. I'll be the one to navigate your anong tawag dito? Teka. Bakit nakalagin ka na ba? Hindi pa. Parang hindi pa. Nilagin na kita. Ayun, nakalagin na. So, let's go to business.facebook.com. Okay, kapag guys magki-create kayo ng bagong business manager, just go to business.facebook.com/create. Okay, that's the URL na pupuntahan nyo kapag wala pa kayong business manager. Let's see kapag yan. Makikita nyo dito kung wala pa siyang BM, lalabas yung ganito, and then create an account. And then just type in your business name, Ma'am Sherry. And don't worry kung wala ka pang business, DTI permit or whatever, just type in the business name that you want here. Okay? I would prefer wag mong lagyan ng dot pa magka-problema. So, tanggalin mo yung dot. Okay. And then, the email address sa baba. Sige, email address. No. The email dun sa baba. That's your name. Just keep your name there. Yep. Okay. gmail.com. All right. No. Wait. Put your name there sa name. and then I'll be the one to navigate. Okay? Make sure, ma'am, na yung iyong email address na nilagay dito ay na-open mo po dito sa kabilang tab. Kasi magsisend po si Facebook ng confirmation email. So, teka, ba't hindi ko magulaw? Okay? It's the same email na nilagay mo dito. Tama ba? Wait lang double check ko switch ko dito ma'am sa Empake Ayan. So, ito yung email na nilagay mo, di ba? Yung empake.ph travel and tours. Tama ba yun? Tama. So, I'll click submit. Okay, mamaya na ako magsasagot ng tanong teka. Your name, the name you chose in business isn't valid. Consider using Empake. Empake. Tanggalin muna natin yung travel and tours. Lagyan ko muna ng biz para mas baka pumasok siya. Okay, and then submit. Kasi we can rename it later. Ba't ayaw? Isn't valid. Tanggalin ko yung PH. Submit. Ayan, mukhang valid na siya. Okay, pwede nating i-rename yan mamaya pag umukay na siya. Yun. And then, we're gonna go here. Usually, papasok yan sa social tab. No? Ayan siya. So, I'm gonna give up the remote control, Ma'am Cherie, kasi baka ma-detect ni Facebook na magkaiba tayo ng IP address. Okay, you're gonna be the one to click the confirm your business email. Click mo yan, and then confirm now. Alright? And then, makikita mo dito, you'll now have the Business Manager dashboard. Overview, ito yung overview niya. Okay? Now, I'm gonna get access again. I'm gonna ask another access because it has been verified. Now, we're gonna create, the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead sa add accounts, and then I'm gonna create add account. So, medyo malaki yung screen mo, ma'am. Kung naka-Windows ka, control minus. Click mo yung control minus para lumiit yung screen mo. Sige pa. Sige pa. Yon, pwede na siguro nasobran. Isang control plus para medyo lumaki. Yan, okay na yan, 80%. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this button and then create a new add account. Okay, and then I'm gonna name this one. Can you name this one as Empake Advertising? Ma'am Cherie, type in, Empake Advertising. Okay, and then select the time zone Philippines, GMT +8. Type in Philippines dyan sa search bar, or you can navigate PHP. Manila, yun, Manila. Nakita ko na. Yan, it's been raining in Manila. USD, PHP. Look for PHP. Yep. Napakanta tuloy ako doon Yan, Philippine peso, and then click, ako na. Yan, so click next, and then my business, create. And then you're gonna need to select your own name para magkaroon ka ng access doon sa sarili mong ad account. Kasi even though you are the owner of the business manager, you need to give access to yourself. Okay? Para makontrol mo yung ad account mismo or magkaroon ka ng full access sa ad account mo mismo. So, ad account created successfully. We're gonna complete the payment info later on. I'm just gonna click close muna and then exit, and then mamaya na tayo magpunta sa payment info. And then we're gonna try to add the pages. Click add. Okay, nandito sa pages sa gilid. Click add the page, and then the name of your Facebook page, Ma'am Cherie. Type in the name of your Facebook page. Let's go, let's go. Yon, empake.ph. Yan, and then add the page. Invalid parameter. Let me get this one. Do you have the full admin access or top level admin access po ng page ninyo, ma'am? Let me know kung sino ang gumawa ng page mismo ninyo kasi probably merong unang gumawa ng page ninyo or you don't have the top level admin access. Kaya nagkakaroon ng error. Alright? Instagram, if you have Instagram account, you need to add your IG here and connect your Instagram account. Okay? Now, before tayo mag-proceed doon sa mga other topic, I'm gonna add myself here. For those guys na media buyers, alright? Pay attention kung paano ko ginawa na pumasok sa business manager ni Ma'am Cherie. Alright? So, basically, merong iba-ibang paraan para makapasok ka sa business manager ng client mo. And it's the same thing if you guys want people to advertise under your business. Let's say, for example, business owner ka, and you are looking for people na makapasok sa business manager mo para matulungan ka mag-ads para sa campaigns mo. This is the same way of getting access. Okay, may tatlong paraan dyan. First that you're gonna need to do is to click users. Okay, and then look for people. Okay, I'm gonna add myself here inside Ma'am Cherie's business manager. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click invite people, and then I'm gonna put my email address that's associated to my Facebook profile. Okay, so that's virtual5solutions@gmail.com. I'm gonna answer questions po mamaya po after this demo. All right, so virtual5solutions@gmail.com. Click next, and then I'm gonna click manage. Full control muna. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hack you, Ma'am Cherie. And click next. And then since wala ka pang page, I'm just gonna need the ad account. Okay, I'm gonna select Impake Advertising, full control, invite. This is the first or in the easiest way of getting access for in order for you to gain access on someone's business manager's account. Okay, I'm gonna give up the remote control and see the email invite sa aking email, of course. So, let me quickly just 1 second. I'm not gonna share the screen anymore. It's very straightforward. Usually kapag naka-Gmail account ka, nandito yan sa social tab. Okay? Actually, share ko na nga. Nahiya ako eh. So, eto, nandito sa social tab. Okay, click nyo lang yung social tab, tapos makikita nyo, you've been invited to join Impake's business account, Meta Business Suite. So, get started. And then, Facebook is going to ask me my password. Obviously, I'm gonna stop sharing again so that hindi naman tayo maging, hindi tayo ma-hack ng mga nandito. Baka may mga hackers dito eh. So, I'm gonna put my name here and then I'm gonna accept invitation. Make sure na hindi ako naka-share screen. Okay. Wait a second, guys. Yung mga naka-Yahoo dito, guys, utang na loob, mag-Gmail account na po kayo, ha? Kasi kung naka-Yahoo pa rin po kayo ngayon, malamang sa malamang po ay magkaedad po tayo. Hindi ko na po sasabihin kung ano pong edad ko, pero malamang sa malamang po kung nag-Yahoo ka pa rin, may edad ka na. So mag-Gmail ka po ngayon, ma'am or sir, ha? Kasi po kapag nagkaroon kayo ng mga integrations and all that stuff, hindi po yan mag-work kung Yahoo po ang gamit po ninyo. Kasi bankrupt na po yung Yahoo na yan, matagal na, ha? Lipat po kayo ng Gmail account. Libre naman po yung Gmail, wala naman pong bayad. Okay, so make sure na kapag nag-create kayo ng business manager ninyo, although naka-Yahoo yon, make sure na Gmail ang gamitin po ninyo. Okay lang po yun. Alright? Then, let me check if I have access na doon sa kanyang ad account. Bago tayo mag-proceed. Kidok. Ano yung Impake, no? Impake. Good. Meron akong access dito sa ad account ni Ma'am Cherie. All right, cool. So, let's go ahead. Ma'am Cherie, go ahead, share your screen again. Please. And we're gonna go to your payment method. All right? So, punta tayo dito sa remote control access. Babalik tayo ng add accounts para lagyan po ng payment method. Okay? So, yung mga hindi po, 'di ba kinlose natin kanina, hindi tayo nag-continue sa payment method. Dito lang niyo po siya makikita. So, you need to click add accounts and then your advertising account na kinreate and then click the inverted triangle doon sa top right. Ito yung katabi ng Open in Ads Manager dito. Okay, all you need to do is to click the inverted triangle, view payment methods, and then you're gonna see this dashboard. Add payment method. What type of payment method that you're gonna use, Ma'am Cherie? Is it credit card, GCash, Paymaya? Let me know. Click nyo lang yung next. Okay, and then select the payment method na gagamitin po ninyo. Ano pong igagamitin yung payment method, Ma'am Cherie? Pwede ka unmute. Ma'am Cherie, nandiyan ka pa ba? Hello? O hindi ka makapag-unmute. Teka lang. Saan ka na ba? Teka lang. Stop sharing your screen. Sige, stop sharing ko muna and then select which type of payment method ang gagamitin po ninyo. Okay? So, kung debit or credit card. Okay, sige. Go ahead, ma'am. Just proceed with the process. In-stop sharing ko na para hindi makita yung payment info nyo, yung payment details nyo. And then let us know if you're able to complete the steps. Okay? Kapag sa GCash, guys, very straightforward lang. Meron naman tayong previous trainings sa previous batches. You can always watch the recordings ng previous batches. Very straightforward lang, guys. Kapag sinelect nyo yung GCash, insert the amount kung magkano, and then open your GCash app sa mobile phone po ninyo. And then, meron ka po makikitang QR code doon sa gitna. Let's say, nasa dashboard na kayo ng phone. Meron ka makikitang QR code doon. And tapos, pag nandoon na kayo sa QR code doon sa may desktop niyo sa laptop, barilin nyo lang po yung QR code na yon. Papasok na po yung amount doon sa inyong ad account. Alright? So, prepaid po ang tawag po doon. Tapos, postpaid naman po yung kay Ma'am Cherie dahil ang ginamit po niya ay credit card. Make sure lang po na Visa, Mastercard, Union Pay, whatever. So, yun. Okay? So, let's wait for Ma'am Cherie. I'll be asking questions, guys, later on, no? Para at least tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ano pa ba? Ayan. So, mukhang okay na. Na-insert na yung credit card ni Ma'am Cherie. And then, what I'm gonna do is, ano na nga ba gagawin ko? So, yun. Ako na muna ang mag-screen sharing. Okay? And then, punta ako dito sa business setting ni Ma'am Cherie. Business settings. And I'll be answering questions later on. Okay. So, eto guys is, I'm gonna share my screen. Okay? So, eto guys, nasa loob na ako ng business manager ni Ma'am Cherie, Empakibiz. You can always change your business naming convention, Ma'am Cherie, later on dito sa business info. And then click edit and then just rename the name of the business that you want. Okay? So, I'll go back here dito sa people. Okay? So, that's the first way of getting access to someone's business manager's account. Okay, the second way of getting access is via add accounts. Okay? Magkakaproblema lang tayo dito sa pages kasi hindi natin makonect yung page ni Ma'am Cherie. I don't think you have the top level admin access. So make sure na kausapin mo kung sino yung mga admins po ng page para ma-include po dito. So all you need to do is to include them inside the business manager the same way I did. Kung paano ako nag-gain access doon sa business manager mo, yun din yung ituturo mo kung paano sila makapasok. And then let them add the page inside the business manager. Okay? Now, ang gagawin natin is, ito yung second way of getting access. Ang gagawin lang ng client, let's say for example, media buyer ka. Okay? And then, you only want to get the ad account access. Ang gagawin lang ni Ma'am Cherie is, or nung client mo is, kukunin niya lang yung ad account ID. Okay? Nandito, ito yung ad account ID mo sa taas. Ito yung unique ad account ID mo, or nung client mo. Then, hihingiin mo to, as a media buyer, hihingiin mo to para isend sa'yo. Okay? Ang gagawin mo lang is, kapag nasend na sa'yo itong ad account ID, ang gagawin mo is, let's say for example, ito yung, anong tawag dito? Ito yung business manager mo. Okay, let's say you are now running your own digital marketing agency business and you only want to get the access nung ad account niya. All you need to do is assuming lang na ito yung business manager mo kasi you are from becoming a media buyer to a digital marketing agency owner. What you're gonna do is to click add and then request access to an ad account. Okay? But this one, dahil walang primary page, switch tayo doon sa business manager ko. Wait lang. Switch lang tayo sa business manager ko. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna share back again. So nandito na ako ngayon, nag-switch na ako, assuming lang na ako na nga yung ano, di ba, business manager, marketing agency owner. So what I'm gonna do, nandito ako sa business manager ko, Virtual 5 Solutions. And then what I'm gonna do is click add. Okay, and then request access to an ad account. Ang gagawin mo ngayon, ilalagay mo dito yung ad account ng client mo. Okay, as a business, as a digital marketing agency owner. So, ang gagawin mo, Ma'am Cherie, is share ba ka ng screen mo? Just para demo lang natin sa mga aspiring media buyers. Okay? And then, bigyan mo ko ng remote control access again. And then, pupunta tayo sa hamburger menu. Itong 3 lines na to, ito yung hamburger menu. Click business settings. Okay? And then, itong ad account na to, yun yung ibibigay ng client ninyo sa inyo. Okay? So, can you copy the ad account ID, ma'am? Yung 331784, etc., 687 ang dulo. Pakisend mo dito, ma'am, sa chat box, and then I'm gonna head over sa aking business manager account. So, pasok nyo dito, sir, ma'am, yung chat box, sa chat box, yung ad account ID na nakopy nyo. Dito po sa Zoom. Sa Zoom po, ma'am, sa Messenger, ano to, sa chat box po natin, send nyo po dito yung ad account ID na nakopy nyo kanina. 331-786-479 928. 928, tama ba yan? Nahilo ko. 3687, 687. So yan, try natin. Ako na nag-send. Ayun pala. Na-send mo na. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna stop sharing you again. And then, I'm gonna share back my screen. Ito lang ang gagawin nyo, guys. I-add nyo lang dito, request access to an ad account, tapos ipapasok nyo dito yung ad account nung client po ninyo. Okay, and then manage ad accounts, confirm. Okay, and then that request sent, Impake advertising, and then I'm gonna assign myself here. Okay, Clarence Hill, and then manage ad accounts, assign. Then, makikita ni client, share back yung screen mo, Ma'am Cherie, and then, let's see kung saan mo makikita yung notification. Okay? Dito makikita ng client ninyo yung notification sa part na to. Give me access, ma'am. And then dito nila makikita sa part na to, request access. Ayun. Send dito receive. Since nakapasok na ako kanina sa business manager niya, kaya hindi na po lumabas dito yung notification. But dito po nila makikita yung request access. Okay? So assuming lang na nakita nyo na i-approve nyo lang. Okay? Ipa-approve nyo lang sa client or i-approve nyo lang kung kayo po yung nagpapa-ads. Okay? And the third one na gagamitin ninyo is via partners. Okay? Ito yung pangatlong. Ito, nasa loob na rin ako. So let's say, assuming lang na i-remove ko muna yung sarili ko dito. Remove partner. Okay? So, i-remove ko muna, di ba? And then, let's assume lang na wala dyan. So, ang gagawin lang ni Ma'am Sherry is hihingiin niya naman ngayon yung business manager ID ko. Okay? Ibibigay ko sa kanya, stop sharing muna ako, ibibigay ko sa kanya yung business manager ID ko and then bibigyan niya ng access yung aking business. Okay? So, same concept lang. Sorry. Ito yung business manager ID ko, Ma'am Sherry. And then you can share back your screen. Okay, you can share back your screen. Tapos, ang gagawin lang doon is pupunta sa partners, di ba? So, and then remote control access. And then click add partner to share as partner to share assets with. Ito yung add button na to. And then yung business manager ID ni client. Okay, papasok dito and then click next. And then it's the same thing. Okay, and then click manage ad accounts and save changes. Okay, that's as if you are a digital marketing agency owner. Okay, from becoming a media buyer and you wanted to own your own digital marketing agency and then you want to serve clients, this is the way you can be able to gain access do sa kanilang business. The same way na kung paano kung ginawa yung pag-access sa ad accounts na kinuha ko yung ad account ID, kapag sa pages may sarili din po yung page ID. Sa Instagram accounts, may sarili din po yung Instagram accounts. Sa WhatsApp accounts, may sarili din po siyang WhatsApp account ID. Okay, magkakaiba po ang account ID ng bawat, anong tawag dito? Bawat assets. Okay? So, para mas lalo nyong maintindihan kung paano ba ang structure ng isang business manager, okay? Discuss ko itong Empake Biz. Okay? Treat your business manager as if ito ay isang subdivision. Okay? Yung subdivision is marami pong bahay-bahay. Tama po sa loob ng subdivision. Okay? Let me get a screenshot of this one. Teka lang muna. Ayan. So, ito po yung subdivision ninyo. Sa loob po ng subdivision, meron po tayong head office na tinatawag. Tama? Ito po yung Empake Biz, yung head office po natin. Even though you are the owner of the subdivision, hindi ka makakapasok sa gate kapag wala kang susi. Okay, kailangan may susi ka sa bawat assets or bawat bahay na papasukin mo. Kaya nga kanina, di ba, kahit na owner siya ng business manager niya, binigyan niya pa rin yung sarili niya ng access doon sa ad accounts. Okay? So bawat anong tawag dito, bawat part na to, imagine niyo siya as townhouses na magkakadikit, magkakatabi. Okay? Ibig sabihin niyan, hindi ka makakapasok sa bawat assets po na yan kapag wala kang susi na manggagaling doon sa top level access sa taas. Paano ba itsura ng townhouses? Di ba dikit-dikit? Townhouses. Ito po siya. Ayan, dikit-dikit po yung bahay. And it's the same thing with your business manager. So yung assets mo, yung page mo is an asset, yung ad account mo is an asset, yung Instagram account mo is an asset, WhatsApp account mo is an asset, and then your pixel, your domain, etc. So lahat po yon ay under your own business manager. And before makagain ng access sa lahat ng assets mo, yung ibang tao, papunta sa loob ng business mo, kailangan mo sila ng bigyan ng susi. And it's the same way na ginawa ko kanina para magkaroon kayo ng, mabigyan mo ng access yung bawat user na papasok sa business manager mo. Okay? Now, I'm gonna answer questions dito sa ating chat box kasi we've been able to, teka muna pala, share ba ka ng screen, Ma'am Sherry, for the last time para at least meron akong double check lang para, okay. So, let me remote control access. And then, make sure guys, na kapag kinilik nyo tong drop down na to, hindi nyo nakikita yung sarili ninyong pangalan kapag nagra-run kayo ng ads. Ibig sabihin po, kapag nakikita nyo yung sarili nyong pangalan kapag nagra-run kayo ng ads, personal ad account po ninyo yon. Okay? Yung personal ad account ninyo, kapag hindi ko po nire-recommend na gamitin nyo po yung personal ad account ninyo. Bakit? Kapag po ay nagamit nyo ang personal ad account at na-restrict po yung personal ad account po ninyo, promise po, hindi na po kayo makakapag-create ng sarili nyong business manager at forever. Halimbawa, nabigyan kayo ng permanent ban ni Facebook, hindi nyo na po magagamit yon, hindi na po kayo makakapag-create ng business manager. All you need to do is to switch from, click the drop-down menu, see more ad accounts, and then look for your business ad account. Okay, sa loob po ng business po ninyo. So, Empake Advertising, yun po yung i-click ninyo every time po na magra-run po kayo ng ads. Okay, kasi pag personal ad account po ang ginamit ninyo, accept nyo lang po to, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. So, pag personal ad account ang ginamit ninyo, hindi na po kayo, pag na-restrict po yan, permanently disabled po kayo, hindi na po ninyo magagamit yan. Okay? So, alright. Let me go ahead and answer those questions na nandito sa chat box. Unahin natin yung mga tanong sa taas. Jeneline, business manager, same lang ba ng Meta Ads or Business Suite? Magkaiba po, Ma'am Jeneline. Ang Meta Business Suite po ay ginagamit po ng madalas ng mga social media managers. Alright? So, hindi po, ang ginagamit po natin ay yung Power Editor o yung Ads Manager. Okay? If you head over to, I'm gonna share my screen. If you head over here, dito sa Ad Accounts, and then add accounts, and then wait lang natin mag-load. Bakit ayaw mo mag-load? Refresh ko lang yung aking browser. Stop sharing ko muna. Ayaw mag-load Punta ka ng add accounts. Mag-iba po ang Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite, pang ano lang po yung pang social media posts. Doon nyo po ginagawa yung pagre-reply nyo po sa mga messages, sa pagpo-postings po ninyo. Yun po yung ginagamit po ninyong ako muna mag-share. Ito. So ngayon, click nyo lang po yung Open in Ads Manager. Ito po yung gagamitin po natin, yung Power Editor o yung ito po yung lumang tawag po kasi sa kanya, Power Editor. Pero right now, ang tawag po sa kanya sa Ads Manager. Okay, ito po yung ginagamit kapag nagra-run po kayo ng ads. Okay, so i-click nyo lang to, Open in Ads Manager, and then mapupunta kayo dito sa Ads Manager. Ayan, nag-load na siya. Ito po yung gagamitin natin madalas kapag nagsiset up po tayo ng campaign. Okay, maliwanag po tayo doon. And pag sinabi kong hamburger menu, ito po yung hamburger menu, yung all tools. Kapag kinilik nyo po yan, lahat po ng tools na kailangan nyo, nandito po yan, makikita nyo. Apo? Alright, so, yung Meta Business Suite po ay hindi magkaiba po sa Ads Manager. Okay, ito po yung madalas po natin gagamitin. Alright, I'll be answering questions. Sino pa yung mga nandito hindi ko nasasagot? Coach, pwede ba na gumawa ng BM ang newly created FB account? Takaw ban ata yun. Give us tips. Ano po dapat gawin po para iwas ban? Ayaw namin nag-boost. Okay. Good question ni Sir Lance Lubitana. Kapag ka newly created na Facebook profile at galing ka sa pagkaka-permanently banned ni Facebook, let's say recently na-ban ka ni Facebook, I don't know, a week ago or few days ago, at nag-create ka ng bagong business manager, do not create new business manager right away. Ang gagawin mo is, let's say na permanently ban ka ni Facebook, ang gagawin mo ngayon ay iiwanan mo na lahat ng assets or lahat ng details mo doon sa lumang business manager. Gagawa ka ng bagong email address, kukuha ka ng bagong payment method. Hindi mo na gagamitin yung mobile number doon na dati hindi ka na gagamit ng dating email, nasabi ko ng email address. Yung ID na in-upload mo, hindi mo na gagamitin yun. Hindi ka na rin gagamit ng dati mong PC. Lahat as in completely new. Gagamit ka from a different PC outside your home kasi madidetect po ni Facebook yung same IP address po ninyo. Okay? Huwag nyo rin pong gagamitin yung same credit card ninyo. Okay? First nyong gagawin is if you have successfully created a profile muna, no? Yung as in profile muna, wala pang business manager. Ang gagawin ninyo is add po kayo ng friends ninyo sa inyong profile. At least 10 to 20. And then, post doon sa profile na bago ninyong ginawa. At least magkaroon ng activities, magmanood kayo ng video, mag-comments kayo dun sa mga friends ninyo. But at least may activity araw-araw yung bagong create nyo na profile. Up until makapag-establish na kayo ng credibility kay Facebook na feeling niyo okay na, madami na kayong activities kay Facebook, let's say 1 to 2 weeks na, then create a business manager account. Make sure hindi yung same email, hindi yung same credit card info, hindi rin yung same PC na ginamit ninyo, etc. etc. As in completely new, fresh account na ginamit ninyo. Kung naalala nyo, ang ginamit nyong ID doon sa lumang business manager account niyo is SSS ID, make sure na wag nyong gagamitin yun i-upload. Ang gagamitin nyo ngayon, driver's license. Okay? Kasi madidetect po yun dahil sa meron pong tinatawag si Facebook na Facebook AI, face recognition. So madidetect po yung ano pa rin nyo doon, yung face niyo doon, tapos yung inyong kung meron kayong ano doon, thumb mark ba yun? Makikita, ano pa rin yan, madedetect po yun. So, different, anong tawag doon? Different ID ang gagamitin po ninyo. Okay? It's either driver's license or PhilHealth, whatever. Okay, sana nasagot ko yung sa tanong ni Lance. Okay, Neil, Sir Neil, same lang po ba ito sa page roles? Yes, Sir Neil. Yung pinakita ko kanina, kapag ka nasa Meta Business Suite ka, kung paano mo in-add yung tao doon sa loob ng business manager mo, same lang po yung sa page roles. You don't need to go to the Meta Business Suite. All you need to do is to go to the business manager, and it is the same thing na pag-add sa page roles. Okay? Sir, okay lang ba na USD yung currency gamit ko? Hindi na kasi ina-allow na mag-transfer ako ng PHP kasi restricted na some of the BM assets ko. Pero nakaroon naman ng ads. Okay lang kung USD na talaga yung ginagamit mo, wala namang problema kung nandoon na nakapag-start ka na. Pero guys, kung merong kung ang market niyo is Philippines, make sure na PHP. Kung ang market niyo is US, of course, USD ang gagamitin po ninyo. Okay? Para hindi kayo magkakaproblema sa reporting column. Parang, alam mo, mag-ads ka sa US, tapos let's say Shopify store mo is USD, tapos ang ad account mo is PHP, mahirapan ka nun. Magko-convert ka na magko-convert. So, ang hirap i-manage yung reporting mo ng pagkaganon. So, make sure na USD rin yung account mo, yung ad account mo, kapag magra-run ka ng ads sa US. Okay? Same lang ba ang Meta Business Suite? Sa Meta Business Settings? Try ko siya, pero di ko makita ang business settings. Magkaiba po ang Meta Business Suite sa Business Manager Settings. Okay? Yung kanina, Triple V Travel na pinakita ko, si Ma'am Vida pala to. Ay, Ma'am Vida. Ikaw ba yung nag-book ng one-on-one sa akin? Tama ba? So, I'm not sure kung ikaw si Ma'am Vida yung nag-book ng one-on-one sa akin. So, ang tawag dito, nawala ako. Kung ikaw yung nag-book ng one-on-one sa akin, ituturo ko naman sa inyo yan. But, yung business settings is magkaiba po sa Meta Business Suite, no? So, again, nasabi ko na. Account restricted ako, sir. Kung bagong create yung account mo at sinundan mo yung ginagawa ko kanina, tapos na-restrict ka, malamang hindi ka pa na-verify ni Facebook. all you need to do is to upload your ID. Okay, yung government issued ID para anong tawag dito? Ma-verify ka ni Facebook na sa'yo yung account. Okay? Ganun lang po. Uploaded na sir, ngayon lang. Okay. So it may take a couple of minutes or sometimes it's gonna take you 24 to 48 hours bago mo ma-retrieve yung business manager mo. Okay? So I hope I answered your question, Sir Paul. Bali po sir, ang gagamitin namin for campaigns yung gagawin po namin ad account under nung business namin. Yes po. Martires Forest Duane. Yes. Yun po yung gagamitin nyo, hindi po yung ad account, personal ad account po niyo. If yung business po ang ginamit sa ad, pag na-restrict, ano po mangyayari at pwede gawin po? Okay. Kapag bagong business manager ang gawa ninyo at nag-run kayo for the very first time, make sure na ad compliant po lahat ng i-run po ninyong ads. Paano maging ad compliant? Go back to Junior Strategies course. Meron po kayong access po doon. Paki-check po ninyo doon yung advertising guidelines para hindi po kayo maban ni Facebook. Okay? Andun po sa Junior Strategies course, meron po kayong anong tawag dito? Lessons po doon. The moment po na na-establish nyo na po yung credibility nyo kay Facebook, what you're gonna need to do is you can create a new ad account para just in case na ma-restrict yung ad account na niraran ninyo, meron pa kayong buffer na isa. Okay? You can create at least 2 ad account if your business manager is new. Okay? And then you can add multiple ad accounts as long as na Facebook ad compliant ng mga nararan mong ads. Okay? Yon, sana nasagot ko yung tanong. And then Happy Rainbow, if yung business po ang ginamit sa ad, pag na-restrict, ano pong mayroon at pwedeng gawin po? Parang same lang yung questions nila. Pag na-restrict, ayun, make sure na wag kayo magpaparestrict, obviously. Pag na-restrict yung unang ad account, gamitin niyo yung pangalawang ad account na ginawa ninyo. Okay? Sir, I spent 20K or more sa boosting for my FB page but hindi pa rin ako satisfied sa sales. Ma'am Alma, if you are using messaging conversion, messaging campaign, make sure na i-test mo between engagement and sales campaign. Okay? And I'm gonna teach you guys that one on the second day, ang day 2, para kung ano yung mga isa-select ninyong campaign objective. Sir Leo, Sir Hi, Sir Clarence, galing ako Toyota, Sir Edmond, small word talaga. Alright, si Edmond, ang yes, anong tawag dito, yung naabutan ko. Yun, so nandiyan ka pa ba sa sa Toyota? Let me know. So yun, Triple V, okay, ang hirap naman po maban, nakakatakot po, hehe. Napakahirap po talaga. I've learned my lesson. 2 business manager na ang naban sa akin. So I've learned my lesson. Kaya po, tinaral ko ng gusto ang Facebook ads kasi ang hirap po maban, ang hirap makapag-create ng bagong business manager. Marami kami page for each business at need namin nakahiwala yung ad spend for each page. Naglagay kami ng separate ad accounts at credit cards para sure na hiwalay ang costing. Kapag ba nag-under one business account kami, pwede pa din mahiwa-hiwalay? Yes. Pwede po. And good po yung ginawa niyo, Sir Angelo Romero, no? Hiwalay na ad account for each business, hiwalay na ad account for each business, tama po 'yon. If you can have multiple credit cards info, that's the best way to do it. Okay, kasi nangyayari kapag na-ban yung ad account mo doon sa isang business mo, usually hindi ka na binibigyan ng new ad account to create a new ad account kapag na-detect ni Facebook na same credit card ang ginamit mo doon sa ad account na na-restrict. Okay, so tama po yung structure nyo, Sir Angelo. Very good. Alright, high five, Sir Angelo. Pwede pa rin iwahiwalay. Yes, pwede nyo iwahiwalay. Sir, I spent 20K. Nasagot ko na to. Sir, paano mag-book po ng one-on-one coaching session po sa inyo? Angelica May Reyes. All you need to do is to go to my website. Just go to digitalhomey.net. And then look for online courses. Bakit siya mabagal? Ay. Punta ka lang ng online courses and then look for one-on-one. Okay? Online courses. And then look for one-on-one coaching. Okay? Or you can message me sa page or you can email me sa email address po namin. Alright? So, message ko na sa page, mas madali. Or, pasok ko naman yata sa Telegram, so you can message me directly. Okay? Now, how much po mag-book ng one-on-one? 15,499 po if you want to, Ma'am Sharil. If you want to book for a one-on-one coaching session, 15,499 po. 5 days straight po natin, at least 1 hour per session. And you'll get also my courses, all of my courses already. If nag-book ka ng one-on-one, at lifetime membership na rin po yon, and then you'll get to access the bi-monthly coaching sessions na rin po. Okay, so full package na po yung one-on-one coaching session. Alright, so difference between boosting ang ads. Boosting po kasi, ang default po niyan is engagement. And then we will be discussing more about that on day 2. Ma'am Dahlin, yun po yung pag-usapan po natin sa day 2. Okay? Boosting ang default po niyan is engagement. Okay? How to avoid po na mga restrict or ban, Martires Dwayne. Again, go to Junior Strategies course. Nandun po yung lessons on how you can be able to get compliant kay Facebook para hindi po maban ang accounts po ninyo. Alright? Which po better po, business manager or meta business manager? Go for the ads manager pa rin, Carillo Highwell. Okay? So, ads manager po talaga mas madali pong i-navigate. Okay? Sir Leo, I'm an ads manager by profession. Nag-set up ako ng mga FB ads sa mga car dealerships, agents across Metro Manila and Bulacan. I used FB marketing since 2015 pa, na libre pa lang until magkaroon ng bayad since 2017. I had advanced knowledge and then the problem is nag-stop ako ng learning and use stock knowledge up until now kasi maganda naman ang result. Pero recently nag-iba na ang results, tumaas na talaga ang until I saw your ads about Facebook ads metrics which never studied ever since, nakabase lang ako sa palagi sa result. Napanood ko, sir, yung previous batch discussion and seriously napakadami ko pala talagang hindi alam. Thank you, Sir Leo. I think you're from Bulacan also, no, Sir Leo? Let me know. Para mag-two battles naman tayo. Okay? Para manginginom lang ano. How much po one-on-one? Nasagot ko na po. Okay. Coach, bakit hindi kaya na-restrict personal ad account na gamit ko? Panay dami account since 2001 ko pa gamit. Okay pa. Well, good for you. Congratulations. But, if hindi na-restrict, malamang, you are Facebook ad compliant. Lahat ng ads mo is Facebook ad compliant, prinsipe. So, good for you. And keep it up. If you want to be safe lang, create a new business manager or create an ad account inside the business manager just to be safe. Para meron kang buffer. Just in case lang na shit happens, meron kang buffer. Okay? Geely ka na, baliwag. Okay. Alright, good. Muntik na ako mapabili ng Geely, no? But, yeah. Alright. Jelmar, sir, pwede bang i-share sa iyo ang business account ko? May clarification lang sana ako. I don't know if we can do that, but let's see. Ano po ang clarification nyo, Sir Jelmar? Sige, pagbigyan ko si Sir Jelmar. Okay. Sige, go ahead po. Share your screen. Baliwag ka lang pala, Paps, ha? Yes po. Bustos lang ako, Sir Leo. Yon, account disabled. Congratulations po, Sir Jelmar. All right. Give me a remote control access. No, navigate ko lang. Ano po ang inyong tanong, Sir Jelmar? Ano po ang ipapakonsulta? Ano po masakit?
Sir, itong okay, sir.
Go ahead po.
Marami kasi ditong ano, sir. Iba ko lang, sir, ha.
Sige lang.
Nalilito ako kung ano yung gagamitin. Wait lang po. Ito po. Ano po ito, sir?
Okay. You have multiple businesses. Congratulations. So meaning you have 6 business managers that you can use. Okay? Ibig sabihin, sa 6 business managers mo na to, you can create multiple ad accounts inside these businesses.
I see.
Okay?
Sir, is it possible na i-settle itong balance sa ano para hindi na ma-restrict ito, sir.
All you need to do is to add a new payment method. Okay, you can click pay now if this visa still exist. You can click pay now, but if it doesn't exist, remove that. Let me control your screen. Remove that and then add new. Ano tawag dito? Add new payment method, and then pay the remaining outstanding balance. Okay?
Sige, sir. Na-try ko na kasi nag-add, tapos kinukontak ko yung Facebook. Tapos naggamit ako ng iba't ibang card na. Tapos hindi pa rin ma-accept. So, ano kayang gagawin dito, sir?
Ito,
Mag-create
view
na lang ng
details.
ibang ano na.
View details, personal yata tong ano mo, personal ad account tong ginamit mo. Hindi, business eh. Ayan to, pay now, ayan oh. Pay now, ang gagawin mo lang dito is mag-add ka ng bagong, remove mo to. Saan yun? Ito, click mo tong tatlong dots na to and then remove. Okay, pag remove mo dyan, mag-add ka ng bagong payment method and then pay yung outstanding balance mo na 5,358. Okay?
Sige po.
Okay, basta click mo lang tong 3 dots sa baba. Ito, asan na yun? Ito, 3 dots, remove, and then put a new credit card info. Okay?
Sige po.
Alright, cool.
Maraming salamat po.
Yon. 2 battles tayo. Sige, Sir Layo, walang problema. Yon. So, I hope you guys learned something today. And that's day 1. For some of you na medyo advanced na ng konti, it's a little bit boring. Kasi you have the business manager already. But for some of you guys who have been able to, get some value out of it, then thank you so much. Yes, another question, one last question. Pwede po ba transfer ang campaign sa personal account sa business manager account? Yeah, ililipat mo lang yung mga ano mo doon, yung mga assets mo doon. But never expect na yung budget mo doon sa personal ad account mo is matatransfer doon sa new ad account. Okay? So hindi po 'yun mangyayari. Okay? So possible po ba dalawa account ID ng alin? Isa lang po ang account ID ng bawat ad account. Magsa-set up po tayo ng Pixel, hindi po. Bali messaging campaign po up until day 5. If you want, nasa senior specialist course po 'yun. Okay? Babalik ba sa learning phase yung mga ads if nag-transfer? Yes, Sir Patrick. Okay? Yun. So, Kopolo, bali po ang payment method ay dapat pasok sa ad account? Yes po. Sa ad account po dapat. Okay? Dalawa kasi nalabas, both same name. Okay. I-rename nyo lang po yung ad account ninyo. Ma'am Jeneline, okay? Late ako nabasa email ka. Okay. Second day is tomorrow. Up until Tuesday po tayo. Yung mga wala pa sa GC po natin, I'll be sending you over again the Telegram GC. Ito yung Telegram GC po natin. Pasok lang kayo dyan. Kapag hindi gumana yung isang link sa taas, try to click the link below. Make sure po na gagamitin nyo is mobile yung mobile po ninyo or cellphone para po makapasok po kayo kasi hindi po yan gagana kapag PC po ang ginamit niyo. Okay? Wala po, merong Messenger GC kaya lang technical aspect lang po paano makapasok sa course, etc. Hindi po yun yung official GC natin. Ang official GC po natin is Telegram. Any questions you have is inside the Telegram GC. Okay? Kasama ba dito yung engagement? Yes, kasama po. Kasama po yung organic paid sa second day up until 50 po natin. Kasama po yan sa lessons po natin. Ma-post ba agad yung recording? Hindi po kasi nasimulan. Just give me up until tonight, siguro up until 10 p.m. Magme-message ako dun sa Telegram GC natin. Yung one-on-one, matutulungan mo po kami sa ads boosting? Yes po. From start to finish. Although, syempre, hindi natin makukumpleto lahat in just 5 days yun, but I'll give you the structures already. Okay? And I'll make sure na nagrarun na yung ads mo in the next, before we complete the 5-day training. Ma'am Alma Katungal. Okay? Yun. So, maraming salamat guys for this training, day 1. Thank you so much. I'll be sending you guys the same link po sa email address na ginamit po ninyo. Okay? Kaya, yung Zoom link po is bantayan nyo sa email address nyo. Hindi po ako magsisend ng email ng link sa Telegram. Alright? Salamat po guys, and I'll see you tomorrow 7:30 same time, and I'll be discussing the Facebook auction and the different campaign objectives. Salamat guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.